Hello student, I am Dr. Anand Chavan. Today we will see the syllabus overview of computer network. The syllabus of the computer network is broadly divided into 6 different units. Unit 1 to Unit 6. Unit 1 is nothing but the introduction to computer network, and Unit 2 to Unit 6 is broadly divided by the different OSI reference layers such as network layer, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. These are the different layers are associated with OSI reference model, and we will see afterwards in each detail of this particular units. The first unit is nothing but the introduction to computer network. In this introduction to computer network, we will see the different points such as data communication and the different characteristics which are occurred in data communications. How the data communications can be occurred in a computer network. Data communication. Data communication is nothing but the communication between the different machines which are occurred in a network. How communications can be done in how the message is being transferred from one machine to another machine, or you can say how the packets can be transferred from the different machines. All it will occur in this particular section, and for that we are going to be see the different components of the data communication as well as different data representational techniques. The data can be represented in the form of either text or numbers or images, audio or video. The next point is nothing but the types of data flow. There are different types of data flow such as simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Means all the machines are actively participate in the particular communication techniques. We will see in afterwards. The next point is the different applications of computer networks with respect to the business application or home application or mobile users. And the next point is there are different hardware techniques can be occurred such as point-to-point communication or broadcast communication. The next point is consist of the different network topologies. There are different topologies such as bus topology, star topology, ring topology, and the mesh topology. That is nothing but the structure of the machines which are occurred in a communication. That is nothing but the network topology. The next point in this particular session is network types. There are different types of networks such as LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN or internetworks, as well as there are different protocols we are going to be used in computer communication techniques. We are going to be see in much details in the latter chapters. That is nothing but that in protocol and standards we will see the definition of protocols as well as the different standard techniques that is occurred in unit 1. The next part is the unit 2. Unit 2 is nothing but the network models. In that we are going to be see the different reference model such as OSR reference model, TCP/IP reference model, as well as different addressing mechanism techniques which is occur in network layer such as physical addressing, logical addressing, port addressing, as well as special addressing mechanism. Is how the addressing mechanism can be achieved in communication networks. All part we are going to be seeing in this particular section which is called as an addressing.